So here we have the Vauxhall Zafira SRI on a 15 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we've got reversing sensors. Currently all 7 seats are in place, so this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. Let me show you what it's like with the 2 rear ones folded down. As you can see, you get stacks of space. Those 3 rear seats will also fold down flat should you need even more. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. We've got the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges in the middle. And then within that trip computer section, you can see the total miles on this car are 11,249. You can change the information displayed above that by using controls on the indicator stalk. So you could have, for example, that digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have cruise control, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls. Over in the centre is the main stereo unit for the car. You can see the CD player just there and the screen above it. So this car's got AM and FM radio, but as you can see it also has DAB, digital radio. When listening to your own music, you have the CD player. There's also an auxiliary input in this car as well. Working our way down, we have the main volume for the stereo. We can select AM and FM radio from here, the CD player and auxiliary inputs just there. We then have the air conditioning, so you can select the temperature, hot, round to cold, fan speed, up and down from here. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed, then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on. There's a little section that opens up. We've got a USB and auxiliary input for your music, and a 12-volt charging socket in there as well. We then have the fully automatic gearbox. This button will turn off the traction control, and that one will turn off the parking sensors. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.